mini bike for you. 80 mile an hour or bust. At least you got a tail light now.
Sounds stupid, huh?
All right, Adventure Seekers. 2006 Corvette, 49,000 miles. If you can get that, give them a call. This thing is sweet. Like the sign says, spotless inside and out. LS2 motor. Beautiful. Been garaged its whole life and covered in the garage. Let's see a spot on it. All right, you'll be sad once you part with this one, but hopefully somebody will get it and treat her right. It's a beautiful ride.
Golden Donut right now.
Nice.
Come and get it.
Golden Donut. Come get it. Give Bill a call. Serious inquiries only. All right. I got the other nice looking trick truck. I like this one. The Fat Iron. Fred's Fat Iron. So nice of a truck, he has to have a name for it even. See this one coming. Love those ghost flames. And we got the Denali 2005 GMC 6-liter. 210,000. You've used this one.
Oh yeah.
You've used her.
Oh yeah.
All right.
But there's new parts on it. There's new not the alternator. Water pump, starter. Have been replaced in the last year.
Yeah.
And it's got a couple new wheel bearings in it.
Looks like it'll still do the job.
It's been maintained. Yes.
Yeah.
Asking 4,900 or best offer.
All right. 4,900. Denali action. Looks like the interior is nice still.
Not bad.
Not bad. Put the whole family in here.
Yeah, it's even got the third row seat still.
Nice. Get the whole family in this Yukon. So give them a call or come on down. Corner of Clark and Bradley. Orcutt Donut Derelicts. Might end up with a donut and a new car.
Only big issue is headliner. Needs a new headliner.
Headliner? Yeah, I know how that goes.
It's annoying. It's a Chevy thing from that era anyway.
Let me get the phone number there. Call or text. 661. What kind of area code is that?
Bakersfield area.
Bakersfield, okay. Right, Adventure Seeker, still a little early. Start my walk around. Orcutt Donut Derelicts, 2015 Slingshot SL. Fun little ride. Gotta get you one. Love the looks of this Charger. It sounded sweet when it rolled in too. Old school Charger madness. Get those Hellcats. Get you one of the old ones. They made muscle cars with real muscle. Alright. So here, nice little station wagon. Love the modification on the rear window. From 2 panels to 1. Really changes the look of this thing. The interior is done upright. One sweet looking Chevy. Another Chevy, 1950. The Mean Green Cruising Machine. Almost has a stance of a gasser. Cruised in, it sounded good. Another Chevy. The Chevys are out. Looking stout. I like that. Hey, what's going on, Bruce? Looking good. Alright, the derelicts are braving it. Another Chevy. Chevys are represented today, folks. Sounding good. I like that. Sure sounds good. Nice. It's ready. Little Camaro action. Even got the roll cage in that truck. The Camaro, the Gran Torino, little convertible, Mazda action, like that. Fun little sports car. Another look at the Grand Torino. Chevys are out in force today. Little Chevy Camaro action. Eric's toy. Alright. Little Porsche. Some European representation here. Nice. Alright. And then the Courier. The V8 Courier, man. Radical beast. Check out that carburetor and air cleaner. Old school cool. It's got the horns. Looks like your car's a little horny up there. They don't work yet. Right, cruising in. Adventure Seekers. Corner of Clark and Bradley. Your Sunday morning. 8 to 10. Ray and Ida. Put this together. Free to enter. Bring whatever you got. Car, truck, motorcycle, mini bike. We don't care. Enter for free. 10 o'clock. Give away these prizes. Alright. 68 Camaro. Home built by Ray. And Ida's classic 37 business coupe. She means business when she cruises by in this coupe. A 350 stroker in it. Nice. Alright. Subaru Madness. At least the reverse works. Alright, Chevys are represented today. 1948 Chevy Stepside. It's a beautiful truck. Interior is dialed in. Original restoration. Love the bed on this thing too. Turn up right. El Camino SS action. Good, how about you? Chargers. Studebaker champion. A true champion of a vehicle, I tell ya. Nice looking Thunderbird. Two-tone action. Two-seater stick shift. Bigger rims. Ride. Cutlass Supreme. Cruising machine. 327 powered. El Camino. Like a fun ride. Veteran owned. Thank you for your service. Ooh, yeah. Good looking Chevy Camaro. Right. Racing stripes. Fun little one. In-town looking Chevy 3100. El Cochino. Nice looking truck, my friend. Thanks. Seen it around at several of the car shows. It's still cruising, doing the job. That's right, the patina machine. Thank you. Yeah, that's one good looking ride. Another sweet looking El Camino. Give this one around 4. Look good. Love what he's done with the engine. That thing is looking good. I love time and money went into this one. Sounds good when it rolls in too. GMC, work truck, Aero Plumbing. 1930 Ford, man. I doubt I'll look this good when I'm 100 years old. Tell you that. For 95, whatever it is. The green cruising machine. That Model A Ford Club. Keeps this thing spotless. Dang. Check out that interior. You sleep in that thing. Nice. Good looking Volkswagen truck. Definitely collectible. Red and white two-tone. Can't beat that. Good looking van. Very cool little Chevy truck. The Corvette LS2 motor thrown in there just for kicks. The truck gets you where you want to go pretty fast. SS action. A little close up of this GMC cruising classic machine. Actual getting the work done truck too. Classic looks and actually get some functionality out of it. It means your plumber has style. It shows up in something like this. Nice. Good looking Chevy 2 Super Sport SS. Jet black. Got a spot on it. Keeping that baby looking good. Serious stereo action too. Nice. Shifter too. Fun little fast car. So what else got over here? VW action. Wow, check out that intake. It's not messing around. Looks nice. Performance. VW Beetle. Looking nice.
Do the holidays, you got triple time and everything else, but
Because I always had a point, Jim, where I wanted just to take the
Everything is dialed in.
Here's my budget.
Oh, open the hood. Let's get a little close up. The Chevy truck. Cram that turbo action in there. That's why it sounds so mean. Nice intake. Dial this baby in. Some serious power out of it. Got like the roll cage action. Harness seat belts. Airfoil even. You got a little cooler for your beer once you stop and hang out at the car shows. Alright, nice truck. Get the CUDA in here.
I don't know if I can find
3 Mopar carbs and they all work.
they all work.
And at the same time even. They all love their gasoline. But this CUDA is nice. Love the red and black. Beautiful color combo. Get you where you want to go in style. All right, adventure seekers. An adventure machine. First time driving it. We'll keep it under 80. It may be hard to do with this little beast.
Checking to see if I can put the clutch all the way in.
Ay, caramba. Well, thanks for bringing this out.
I'll come by for longer next time. We got donuts to deliver.
Yeah. Yeah, they're chomping at the bit for the donuts, but yeah, this thing looks fun.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have a slingshot myself, so yeah.
It's like the same thing.
Yeah. Customized. Ready for action. Right, little chopper action. Under time. Old school chopping. Looks like fun. Right. No matter what you got, adventure seekers, bring it on down. We want to see it. All right, I almost missed this one. 1935 action. Getting up there. Almost 100 years old. Stylish looking machine. Looks like fun.